What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. You're probably wondering why I'm down here really close to the floor with giant boxes behind me. Well, it's because there's some really cool stuff in these boxes. We're going to find out today what's in them, and they go in there. So yeah, there's your hint. It didn't exactly turn out the way we wanted to, but there's definitely some cool stuff in here, so let's get these boxes open. All right, gentlemen, so the final piece to the puzzle to Lee's notchback is here. Now, when we started out, the goal was we were going to do the brand new Gen 5 Whipple supercharger on the car. That's what Lee was hoping for. Brand new product. The issue that we run into is these are tuner kits, and they're tuner kits because sure, you can bolt one of the Gen 5 Whipple superchargers on a brand new Mustang. That's what they're made for. But in a swap application where you got all these crazy funky brackets and everything to make all the power steering and air conditioning and all that work, that presents a unique issue. So an entirely new drive system has to be developed. And the only people that do that is Power by the Hour. Thank God for them, because otherwise this wouldn't be possible. So that is the deal, guys. We have something else in here. A lot of badassery, true, but there's your little hint right there. But yeah, so we're gonna get all these out real quick, guys. If you're not familiar with this build, it is back. It's got a built 6R80 in it now. All the suspension was changed over to Viking coilovers front and rear. We did the brand new 1 7/8 Cooks redesigned Coyote swap headers and X pipe, and then we're also doing a full custom stainless 3-inch cat back. So guys, I'm telling you, this is going to be ridiculous. Oh yes, there she is. The massive brackets and everything. I love it. Inner cooler lines. Yeah, as you can see, this I believe is the triple pass. Yeah, this is the triple pass heat exchanger with dual fans.
Very nice.
And it comes with the harness and everything. Dual relays. Oh yes. Dual spow fans. Yeah, that's going to be very nice. That's going to move a lot of air too. A lot of air. And then of course you get the whole, this is for 2011 to 14, so this is for like a just basic Mustang kit. Got the relays and everything in it. Alright, boy. It's like Christmas. Oh yeah, there she is.
Never seen one of these before, huh?
Yeah, buddy. There is the beast. Hold that box down.
There's a lot going on here.
Yeah, that's a lot of very nice. Guys, this is the Gen 3.
That's a load there.
Yeah. This is the Gen 3. This is just like we put on the convertible, which did a little over 800 at the tire. So again, guys, he wanted to do the Gen 5, but being a tuner kit, it was just taking forever, and he's really wanting to get this car done for Ford Takeover. He wants to race it at Ford Takeover. So went ahead and got rocking with the Gen 3. All right, guys.
I'm gonna make you have to actually put it back in gear just to be on the safe side.
Ooh, look at that. God, I'm telling you, I love these freaking Whipple, man, That is crazy. You see, you put your entire fist in those.
Yes.
They changed it a little. That looks a hair different than the.
I don't remember that other one saying Whipple inside.
I don't either. Yeah. But yeah, this is the rest of the kit, guys. That's gonna be.
Tank.
Yeah, that's gonna be the tank for the intercooler, and then all of our instructions, love instructions. Those probably gonna be the brackets. And who knows what that is? Something. And
That's the cover. It goes on
oh,
the side.
okay, yeah. Cover goes right there.
Some more hardware.
And more hardware. And what about all the brackets and stuff? Do we? Oh, that's what that is. All right, guys, let's pop this box open, and I'll show you kind of why these are tuner kits. Again, this whole accessory drive has to be re-engineered to work the foxbody. Yeah, there it is. Yeah.
Alternator. Belt.
Re-engineered alternator bracket. Not sure what this is gonna be.
That's for the pulleys
The pulley itself.
up against the end inside.
And then
Harnesses.
you got all your belts. You got all your harnesses. That's your intercooler wiring right there. And then this is all your hardware for the brackets. And there's a bunch of spacers, guys. If you didn't see us, yeah, there's the intercooler pump. If you didn't see us mocking this up on Lee's car, it's like putting a jigsaw puzzle together. There's a lot to it.
Lots of pulleys.
Lots of pulleys and idlers and tensioners and spacers. And there's, see all your spacers and stuff there. And then, yep, there's all the supercharger pulley. I'm not sure. Did he go with the smaller one?
Yeah, look, there's lots of
Yeah.
pulleys and idlers, and yeah, they just keep coming.
That's yeah. There's like 4. Yeah. So you got 4 idler / tensioner pulleys to make all this work. It's I'll pull it over here and show you again. Just even without the supercharger, there's a lot that goes into making all this work. So.
Not that big old haul, so.
Oh yes, there's a mass air meter, or housing, I should say. It's a little different than it used to be. But there you go, guys. Huge shout out to Power by the Hour for coming through with this, getting this kit. Oh yeah, there it is. That's fine. All right, boys. Last box. We got the filter and
Oil for the supercharger.
supercharger oil plugs.
Big massive filter.
Yeah, Lord. Yeah, look at there, boys. That is a filter. It's like 5-inch. Yeah, we got plugs and intercooler tank. All polished. Look at that.
We don't like polish.
Yeah, we need to powder coat that black. I mean, it needs to match a supercharger.
That's right.
So Lee, you I know you're watching this.
Just waiting on me now.
This is a very nice kit. Yeah, it's all up to you, Dover. No pressure. Man. And one other thing, guys. The pump. They upgraded the pump a little bit for these Whipple kits. That's quite a bit smaller, which is nice, especially on a foxbody, because you get such limited space. Too cool. Guys, real quick, wanted to show you this. When you're doing this, and this is the same for the 9904 cars too, you see right here, that's where your throttle cable comes through. You got the hole and then the 2 small bolt holes. Well, the guys at Power by the Hour have come up with this, and it's just a simple little plug because you want to, keep the heat and moisture or whatever out from inside the car. But they make these nice little plugs, and you just use the factory screws. Screw that over that. Got even says Power by the Hour. So super cool little innovation. I love how they just keep making new parts for us. Help us do these swaps. All right, guys, little test fit here. Try to see how tight this is gonna be.
We got no bumper cover either.
Yeah.
These little brackets. What you want to bet them match them holes?
Look at that.
Boom.
Very nice, guys. MAF Racing. I got to show you their info again. They actually sent us a balancer tool. I'll show you that in a minute. But yeah, that's gonna fit in there pretty nice.
Who knows? We might turn it this way. I don't know.
I don't guess it really matters, does it? Well, you gotta have. I'm not sure if those fans are pushers or pullers or if it doesn't matter.
Whatever we want.
True.
Yeah.
Change it up.
That's right. Something like that, maybe.
It's gonna move some air right there, boys.
Yeah. It's nice. They come with those brackets.
Yeah.
Already cut for the pipe.
Boom. Weld them up. Call it good. Guys, one other thing I did want to show you. Power by the Hour also has these basically to eliminate your degas bottle. And slide them in right here and right there. And gets rid of all that Y thing and everything that leaks. So again, hit up Power by the Hour, guys. They're making these swaps easier. And I know you could use these. You could use these on something newer if you're trying to do something custom, like an 11 to 14 or 15 to 17, whatever. But check that out. Hot water tubes. Power by the Hour, part number 643. Good stuff.
I don't know why it started.
I think we got another one somewhere.
No, I think I got them all.
Bring it across the front.
No.
There it goes, yeah.
It's sticking in where it goes.
Oh, yeah.
Blow off.
Get that gasket there. Let me move this out of the way.
No.
All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and set the base on. Mr. Intercooler here. That's a nice kit. All right, y'all. So before I did show you this this front bumper that we're putting on the car, which I'm gonna be putting on one on my car as well. They also do the lower core support too. You just basically cut it out and put that in. But after doing that, the guys from MAF Racing said, hey, let me send you something. And not only did they send a badass t-shirt, but this coyote balancer removal tool. You got to have a custom like a special tool to remove the balancer. And so they sent one over. So not only do they have the bumpers and the lower core supports and some other stuff like that, but coyote balancer tools. And I'll show you his information here real quick. Just find them on I found them on Facebook. They've got some good stuff. But MAF Racing and Performance out of Battle Creek, Michigan. So hit them up, guys. They got some really cool stuff. So shout out to them. They even sent a shirt. I love it. So we'll definitely be using them again. All right, boys. So that is pretty much the update on Lee's notchback here. We've got a lot of work to do, guys. The only other thing we really need to do is finish up the fuel system and get the supercharger on and all that. So this is going to be coming along nicely. And I did have a quick update on the Viper Blue. Boys and girls, we got fuel system. You see right there, got all the fuel lines and everything run. And then they come through here, nice little bulkhead right there, real clean, wide. And of course, them come up and hit the fuel rails behind the supercharger. Super clean install. And then the regulator is in, and I got your 2 lines in, just waiting to get that last line. And that bad boy is ready to go. And then of course your intercooler pump lines are there. So guys, we'll maybe, before you know it, have first fire of this bad boy too. So it's going to be very, very cool. So that is pretty much the update, guys. We've got a lot of work going on both of the supercharged notchbacks. Yeah, and of course, slowly but surely, this one rolls on, guys. This is the really fun one right here. All right, guys, so that is the haps for now. Again, lots of stuff going on. We've got edge car coyote swap stuff going on. We have F100 stuff going on, F150 stuff going on, lots and lots and lots of fox body stuff going on, and maybe some more drag racing stuff here for too long. We're getting into event season, guys. We're going to be hitting up some events as well. It's going to be super, super fun. Speaking of events, Ford Takeover June 6th, Jackson Dragway, Jackson, Tennessee. Make sure you are there. Quick promo video right after I get done running my mouth. Check that out. Make sure you're there. Lots of info on thefoxcast.com. Do not miss it, guys. I'm telling you, this year, we are going to blow some minds. It's going to be an absolutely insane day. Car show, drag racing, hangout, pre-meet. Just make sure you're there. Jackson, Tennessee is close to everything, so just make sure you're there. So that is what is up, guys. Keep it tuned right here for lots more content and epic builds, and just like that, we're out.